difference between two numbers is 12. The greater number is 6 less than twice the smaller one. There are three questions. One, representing the above situation, frame two linear equations in two variables. Question 2, show that the equations have a unique solution. Question 3, solve the equations and hence find the numbers. Let the two numbers be x and y. So it is given that the difference between two numbers is 12. So that means x minus y is equal to 12. One more information is given. The greater number is 6 less than twice the smaller one. That means if the greater number is x, x is equal to 6 less than twice the smaller number means 2y minus 6. X is equal to 2y minus 6. If you take right side 2y to left side, it will be minus 2y. So x minus 2y equal to minus 6. Now, what is our first question? Form the linear equations representing the above situation. So, the first question's answer is the two linear equations are x minus y is equal to 12 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 6. Second question is show that the equations have a unique solution. We know the condition for unique solution. It is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 is equal to coefficient of x in the first equation, that is 1, and a2 equal to coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 1, and b1 is equal to coefficient of y in the first equation, that is minus 1, and b2 is equal to coefficient of y in the second equation, that is minus 2. a1 by a2 is equal to 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 1, and b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Clearly a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, therefore the equations have unique solution. So second question is over. Now we'll go to the third question. Third question is solve the equations and find the numbers. So let x minus y equal to 12 be equation 1. This is equation 1, and x minus 2y equal to minus 6 is equation 2. Equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2 gives x minus x is 0, minus y minus 2y is equal to 12 minus, subtract 12 minus 6. Minus y minus 2y, that is minus y plus 2y is equal to 12 minus 6. 12 plus 6, that means minus y plus 2y. Minus y plus 2y is y. Y is equal to 18. So we have got y is equal to 18. Now substitute y equal to 18 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus y equal to 12. We'll substitute y equal to 18 in equation 1. That means x minus 18 is equal to 12. That means x is equal to 12. Left side minus 18. When it's go to right, it will be plus 18. 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. Now we have got the greater number x equal to 30 and y equal to the smaller number y equal to 18. So the three questions are over. If you have any doubt, let me know through the comments.